Space tourism, opportunities and challenges for commercial space travel. Welcome to this YouTube video on space tourism and the opportunities and challenges it presents for commercial space travel. In this video, we will explore the growing interest in space tourism, the companies and organizations working to make it a reality, and the challenges that must be overcome to make commercial space travel a viable industry. Space tourism refers to the practice of paying for a trip into space, either for a short suborbital flight or a longer trip to the International Space Station or beyond. While space tourism has been a topic of speculation and science fiction for many years, it is now becoming a reality thanks to advances in technology and the growing interest of private companies and wealthy individuals. One of the most well-known companies working in the space tourism industry is Virgin Galactic, which has developed a suborbital spaceplane designed to take passengers on brief trips into space. Other companies, such as Blue Origin and SpaceX, are working on similar vehicles, while others, such as Axiom Space, are developing modules to attach to the International Space Station for longer duration stays. The opportunities presented by space tourism are numerous. For one, it could provide a significant boost to the space industry, driving innovation and technological development while also creating jobs and economic growth. It could also inspire a new generation of young people to pursue careers in science, technology, engineering, and math. However, there are also significant challenges that must be overcome to make space tourism a viable industry. For one, the high cost of space travel means that it will likely remain a luxury experience for the foreseeable future, limiting the potential market. There are also significant technical challenges, such as developing vehicles that can safely transport passengers into space and back to Earth, as well as ensuring the safety and health of passengers in the harsh space environment. Another challenge is the impact that space tourism could have on the environment. Space launches produce significant amounts of greenhouse gases and other pollutants, and there is concern that an increase in space tourism could exacerbate these problems. In conclusion, space tourism presents both opportunities and challenges for the commercial space industry. While it has the potential to drive innovation and economic growth, significant technical, financial, and environmental challenges must be overcome to make it a viable industry. Nonetheless, the growing interest in space tourism suggests that we are on the cusp of a new era of space exploration and commercialization, and that the possibilities for the future are truly out of this world. Sure, here's some more information on space tourism and the opportunities and challenges it presents for commercial space travel. One of the biggest opportunities presented by space tourism is the potential to make space more accessible to the public. By giving people the chance to experience space travel firsthand, it could help to build public interest and support for space exploration and research. Another potential benefit of space tourism is the development of new technologies and systems that could have broader applications beyond just tourism. For example, the development of more efficient and cost-effective launch vehicles could help to drive innovation in other industries, such as satellite communications and remote sensing. However, there are also significant challenges that must be overcome to make space tourism a viable industry. One of the biggest challenges is cost. While prices for suborbital flights are likely to come down in the coming years, the cost of longer trips to the International Space Station or beyond will likely remain prohibitively high for all but the wealthiest individuals. Another challenge is safety. Space travel is inherently risky, and there is always the potential for accidents or other unexpected events. Ensuring the safety of passengers will require significant investments in technology and infrastructure, as well as rigorous testing and certification processes. Environmental concerns are also a major challenge for the space tourism industry. Launches produce significant amounts of greenhouse gases and other pollutants, and there is concern that an increase in space tourism could contribute to climate change and other environmental problems. In addition, there are legal and regulatory challenges that must be addressed before space tourism can become a viable industry. Current regulations are primarily focused on ensuring the safety of space launches and the people on board, but new regulations will be needed to address issues such as liability, insurance, and environmental impact. Despite these challenges, there is significant interest in the space tourism industry, and several companies and organizations are actively working to make it a reality. With continued investment in technology and infrastructure, and careful attention to safety and environmental concerns, space tourism has the potential to become a transformative industry that could shape the future of space exploration and commercialization.